motion to deny this text amendment, 2025-0302, to establish a gun store with a gun assembly as a special use in the, general commercial zoning district, with the finding that the proposed text amendment is inconsistent with section 5.1C3 of the adopted comprehensive land use plan of the town. The proposed text amendment is inconsistent with section 5.1C3, which states an objective to promote land development patterns that are compatible with surrounding development. That proposed text amendment is unreasonable and is not in the best interest of the public, and is inconsistent with the adopted comprehensive land use plan.
Motion made by Commissioner McGon,
Second.
seconded by Commissioner Hatton. All in favor?